Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support me. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here, and I can promise you're going to learn a lot from today's video. Today's video is a very simple remedy but very effective. And our first natural ingredient is the fenugreek seeds. If you're on a hair growth journey and you haven't used fenugreek seeds yet, then it means you're missing out on something good. Fenugreek seeds are great for the hair. It has protein, and what the protein does is it strengthens your hair strength so you do not experience hair breakages. And you all know that in order to retain length and also grow thicker hair, you need to prevent hair breakages. And that is exactly what fenugreek seeds will do for your hair. Also, it contains nutrients that will nourish your hair as well as your scalp. It is going to stimulate new healthy hair growth and help you reach your goal faster. So what I did was I measured about 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Then after that, I put in a mason jar and top it up with water. I left it overnight, and this is how it's looking the next day. You can see that fenugreek seeds has doubled in size, and that means it has been infused. It is now tender and you can easily blend it. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platform. And thank you for doing all that. So what I did was I put the fenugreek seeds with the water in a blender. You need to be careful with the water. You can put some of the water aside and put it little by little because you do not want your fenugreek seed to be watery. So after blending for some time, I got my fenugreek paste. Now it is time to introduce my next natural ingredient. This is avocado. Avocado is great for the hair. It will condition your hair and also moisturize your hair. Avocado will nourish your scalp and your hair strands. It is going to make your hair really soft, make it very easy to manage, and also prevent hair breakages. So in this recipe, I used 1 avocado, but feel free to use 1 or 2 depending on the volume of your hair. Just make sure you use enough of what you need. Do not waste your avocados. It is also beneficial to be eating avocados for your health as well as for the health of your hair. Also, with this recipe, you do not have to store it. Do not store it. Just make enough that you will need for your hair, then use it all. Whenever you are ready to repeat this, you have to make a fresh batch. Alright, so this is how my avocado came out. Really beautiful. I really wanted to eat them. Alright, so I just added it to my fenugreek seeds. I didn't use any specific measurements for this recipe. You all know because my DIYs I use natural ingredients, I am not so bothered with measurements because I know natural ingredients are not going to hurt my hair in any way. So what I can tell you is just use equal amount of the fenugreek paste to equal amount of the avocado. Then after that, blend it together. It is very important to strain this recipe. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of the year trying to get some pops from your hair. So whenever you are ready to strain it, you can use a cheesecloth, any material with tiny holes. Then after that, you take your time to get all the goodies out. So once you have it like so, it is time to add any oil of your choice. I added grapeseed oil because it has omega-3 and 6 as well as vitamin E. But feel free to add olive oil, coconut oil, or any oil of your choice. This is also conditioner. Use your favorite conditioner. You do not have to use the same conditioner. Add some conditioner to this recipe. So after you've added your oil and your conditioner, Make sure you give it a good stir. And guys, I cannot even stress on this enough. This recipe right here is going to make your hair feel so soft, super soft. Even after the first use, you're going to experience less hair breakages. It is going to make detangling your hair so much easier. And also after that, it's going to make your hair feel really healthy. And when you continue using this, it is going to nourish your scalp, nourish your hair strands, and help you retain some length as well as some volume. So now let's get to the real deal, Batana oil. If you haven't tried Batana oil, guys, you are missing out on something good. If you want to purchase the same Batana oil, make sure you check in the description box or in the comment section for the link to this Batana oil. You need the right Batana oil in order for it to work. This Batana oil that I use is 100% natural. And if you have been following me for a while, you will know I love everything about natural ingredients. This pure Batana oil is sourced from the Batana fruit. And inside the fruit is the seed. So they get the oil from the seed. I have a video of how to make pure Batana oil. And I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So make sure to check it out. So after I've done my avocado and fenugreek hair mask treatment, I leave it in my hair for 30 minutes. Then after that, I rinse it out. Then I go ahead to dry my hair. Then the next thing is to moisturize my hair. So I apply a leave-in conditioner to my hair. Then the next thing I use is my Batana oil. Batana oil is a scalp and hair treatment. So I apply this oil on my scalp. Even though it looks like a pomade or a cream, when you apply it, it melts down your scalp and it applies like an oil. This is going to make your hair and your scalp really healthy. The secret is whenever you apply it, make sure you are massaging your scalp. And massaging your scalp is also going to increase blood flow to your scalp, which will in turn stimulate new hair growth. If your hair is damaged and do not know how to repair your damaged hair, start using Batana oil and come back to thank me later. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.